Making an electromagnet. Materials needed: a large iron, some tin coated copper wire, a size D battery, and some small magnetic objects. How to make one? First, we put most of the copper wire on the large iron nail like this and leave some strands for later. It will look like this. Then after that, you put one end on the end of the battery and the other end on the other end. Then you heat it up for a few minutes and try to test if it's already attracting the smaller magnetic object. Like now. As you can see, it's attracting the smaller objects.
How does it work? Most magnets, like the ones on many refrigerators, cannot be turned off. They are called permanent magnets. Magnets like the one you've made that can be turned on and off are called electromagnets. They run on electricity and are only magnetic when the electricity is flowing. The electricity flowing through the wires arranges the molecules in the nail so that they are attracted to certain metals. Never get the wires of the electromagnet near a household outlet. Be safe and have fun! Bend water with static electricity. What will you need? A dry plastic comb, an indoor faucet, and a head full of dry hair. What to do? First, turn on the faucet and slowly turn down the water until you have a very thin stream of water flowing. So, let's go to the faucet. Now, you need to brush your hair 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. There. Now, slowly bring the comb near the flowing water without actually touching it. If it goes well, the stream of water should bend towards the comb. Wow! Magic, you ask? Not really. Well, how does that work? Here, when you brush that comb through your hair, tiny parts of the atoms in your hair, called electrons, are collected on the comb. These electrons have a negative charge. Remember that, it's important. Now that the comb has a negative charge, it is attracted to things that has positive charge. It is similar to the way some magnets are attracted to certain metals. When you bring the negatively charged comb near the faucet, it is attracted to positive force of the water. The attraction is strong enough to actually pull the water towards the comb as it is flowing.
Roll a can with static electricity experiment. You will need an empty soda can, blown up balloon, head of air. What to do? Place the can on its side on a flat smooth surface like a table or a smooth floor like this. Rub the balloon up balloon back and forth through the hair really fast. Now, the fun part. Hold the balloon close to the can without actually touching the can. The can will start to roll towards the balloon without you even touching it. Try this too. When you got the balloon out, tear up a part of tissue papers. They will be attracted to the balloon and then jump away.
How does it work? This works a lot like our bending water experiment. When you rub the balloon through your hair, invisible electrons with a negative charge build up on the surface of the balloon. This is called static electricity, which means non-moving electricity. The electrons have the power to pull every light object with a positive charge towards them, like the soda can.